Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kaifal? Ismi Padlan. Ismi Kal Kamil. Muhammad Alwan Padlan. In this video, I will present my final test analysis of the reading text and entitled Transforming Islamic Elementary Classroom a Multimodal Shift. I will read the text completely, loudly and clearly. Transforming Islamic Elementary Classroom a Multimodal Shift because our Cloyd Hod deployment requires multi-story engagement pedagogical methods. The video by Figi ME are made more interactive than traditional. Looker study this Delany ship which unifies spiritual habits and digital ponies. The match continuous instructional offering from classroom practicity Rosemary Algood request contractis present in rural madrasah. This comparative progress case by cultivating moral behavior, engaging young learners and fostering analytical thoughts, consequently classroom harmony will be permanently sustained if routines classroom modeled by educators, because linguistic literacy characteristic analytic the Higgs full which melodies in this semester must be collaborated by instruments utilizing multi-sensory kids. Now I will analyze the advanced gambar components embedded within the text. For the section, a sentence portrays the core skeleton of the independent matrix class. In the sentence consists of the subject, which is pedagogical methods, and the verb, which is our domain. For section B, adverb clause I located to clause phrase because our client deployment requires multi-story engagement which establishes a logical relationship of operation. Cause all good requires constancy process in rural madrasah, which establishes our relationship of contrast or classroom for such the passive which to passive from for in the text are the made and will be permanently sustained. For station di modales and conditionalis the sentence combines a modal with a condition. The modal phrase will be permanently substantiated and the accompanying conditional clause is if routines are currently modeled by Descartes for station comparative and superlatives. The comparative modifier is more interactive than which compress pedagogical methods to traditional structurality. The superlative modifier is the highest which ranks the regular milestones and be the students for station F. record participies. The phrase record passive participly is the form which expands to the full from which are deployed by Piggy ME scrolls. The code reduced passive participly is recorded which expands to the full from which was recorded this semester. Next, I translate the reading text into natural akademik bahasa Indonesia as follows. Mentransformasikan kelas dasar Islam perubahan multimodal. Mentransformasi kelas dasar Islam perubahan multimodal. Karena perkembangan anak usia dini membutuhkan keterlibatan multisensorik, metode pedagogik yang dikembangkan oleh para sarjana PGMI dianggap lebih interaktif daripada gaya ceramah tradisional. Pergeseran dinamis ini yang menyatukan kebiasaan spiritual dan fonik digital menuntut peningkatan instruksional yang berkelanjutan dari para praktis kelas. Meskipun keterbatasan sumber daya masih terjadi di madrasah pedesaan, pendekatan komprehensif ini berhasil dengan menanamkan perilaku moral, melibatkan pembelajaran muda, dan menumbuhkan pemikiran analitis. Konsekuensinya, keharmonisan kelas akan dipertahankan secara permanen jika rutinitas dimodelkan secara hati-hati oleh para pendidik. Karena literasi linguistik dipercepat lebih awal, pencapaian kelancaran tertinggi yang tercatat semester ini harus dirayakan oleh para instruktur yang memanfaatkan perangkat multisensorik. From this text, I would like to explain to professional educational management phrase. The phrase in term is pedagogical methods yang berarti metode atau strategi pengajaran yang diterapkan oleh pendidik berdasarkan teori belajar untuk memastikan materi tersampaikan dengan efektif kepada siswa. The SCORE term is instructional upgrade yang merujuk pada peningkatan kualitas instruksional baik melalui pelatihan guru, pembaruan media maupun adaptasi teknologi di dalam kelas demi menunjang kurikulum. Thank you very much for your attention, Dr. Ruli Agung Yudhiyantara and classmaster. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.